Hi everyone. Let's talk about the Lion's Gate. The Lion's Gate portal is an astrological phenomenon that happens only once a year, and it happens when the sun aligns with Leo and the Sirius star. So when this comes in a straight line, it opens the gate of a powerful manifestation. It opens the gate to phenomenal changes, and it opens the gate to energies, spiritual healing, abundance and prosperity. Now it depends on what type of energy that you want to tap into and what are the changes that you want to bring into your life. Now even if you look at the symbol, that is the 8th, it's happening on the 8th of August, and that symbol signifies infinity, it signifies abundance. So it is a message from the divine for you to start now focusing on what you want to manifest into your life and what is important for you. This is also an excellent day to do cleansing, to remove old patterns, old baggages, to let go of all kind of negativity, to get a proper cleansing done. Then let's work on manifestations and see what you want to focus on your life now, what you want to obtain in your life, okay? So work on your spiritual healing. Your spiritual healing is then aligned with what you want in the physical realm as well. So to put together the entire alignment, we'll first be doing a cleansing, and then we would be doing some manifestations and some healings. Now these healings could even be any kind of physical ailments or healings that you feel has been pulling you down for some time. So you can go ahead, okay, I've shared the link, I've shared the details. You can go ahead and block to do some cleansing, or you can do some manifestations. This is even an excellent day to get some tarot card readings done. So if you feel you're in the middle of crossroads, you want to make decisions, there's major events coming up in your life or for the year ahead, this is an excellent time to tap into those portals and to all the positive energies that you want to attract into your life. So hoping you make use of this abundant portal, tap into all the blessings and all the manifestations. Wishing you all a lot of blessings and a lot of prosperity. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues. I'm Sharon S. Monija. Thanks again and take care.